Welcome back to our channel, where we talk all things tech. Today we're going to talk about something that may seem trivial, but can be really important when it comes to downloading firmware or selling your iPhone. Do you know which model your iPhone you have? Not just the name like iPhone 14 Pro Max, but the actual model number. In this video we're going to show you how to find it. Now, we all know that Apple has different models of the iPhone with various configurations. But did you know that within the same iPhone configuration there are separate models that support different cellular brands and have entirely different cellular modern hardware? This is where the model number comes in. To find your iPhone's model number, if you have any phone up to the iPhone 7 Plus, you just look at the tiny text on the bottom of the back of your phone. It's really small, so you may need a magnifying glass to read it. For the iPhone 8 and beyond, you need to find the model number in the settings. Open up the settings and let's scroll down slightly till we get to general and then tap into that. Then the about section, so let's tap into that. And halfway down the page you'll see a model number listed, but that's not the actual model number we're after. Tap on this model number and you'll see the actual model number we're talking about earlier. Depending on which iPhone you have, this model number will change, and it is all to do with the carrier. So depending on what number you have here will be which carrier you can actually use on your iPhone. This model you can see here for my iPhone means it's a carrier-free version, so any SIM can work within the iPhone. Now, most of the time you won't need to worry about this model number, but it's a good thing to include in your listings if you sell your phone on services like eBay or Craigslist. And you'll need it if you ever need to download firmware files from the web to restore your phone from the iTunes. Have you ever needed your iPhone's model number? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this tip helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we've got plenty more coming your way. And thanks for watching.